What's up, everybody? I'm Al, and today we're getting creative and a little dramatic in Lightroom. So we're gonna have a lot of fun in this one, alright? Yeah. So I got this series of pictures on my Instagram, and a lot of people loved it. I mean, I did, still do, a lot. So today I'm gonna show you how I achieved this look, and I hope that you get something from that, alright? Yeah. So on this picture we got Terry, and Fiona, and as always, it's a pleasure working with them because we come up with this cool content and ideas together, and it's super fun. So I'm gonna link the IG accounts in the description below so you check them out. So let's get to it, shall we? So first things first, you wanna switch right here to develop mode, and then you open the presets. So these presets are basically the ones that are built in with Lightroom. So you want to hover, and then you see the effects on the picture. But I think I'll go for this higher contrast. Yes, this higher contrast. And according to your picture, the one that you think will fit, you double click on that to select it. And as you can see right here, we already have the adjustments which comes along with this preset. So according to your picture, you wanna edit. So I feel like I love the feeling of the picture, but let's do the shadows. Take them down. Yes. To be not too exposed. And then what else? The blacks. What about the white? Okay, I like that. Okay, and then I think I'm satisfied with this one, but let's take down the saturation. Let's see what happens. Not that much, but okay, let's leave it at 10. My -10. And okay, we head into the colors. Red, like I always say, it's like the part of the skin, so we want to keep the skin tone in the very don't touch it. So let's mess around with yellow. Okay, take it like this, right? Yeah. And then how about the greens? No, let's not touch the greens. And okay, let's come over here to blue. So if you realized, I want to achieve the purple kind of clouds, so you're not gonna see the effects that much right here, because let's come over here just to make the saturation gets to be even more clear. Okay, and then the other colors I think I'm cool with them, but then let's take down the greens on the trees right here. So the bushes, not the trees. Good. Yeah, I think we're good with that one. I'm satisfied. Yeah. Okay. Then the fun part. This is my favorite actually. Okay, split toning. How about that? Leave it at 7. Okay. We'll go for the just leave it at 0 or else 360. Yeah, it depends which one you want. But then to make it simple, let's come over here, click right here, and then select these colors. You'll be given these colors, right? These are the ones that Lightroom thinks that are cool for your picture. But I would say I love this one and this one. but let's go for this one because I feel like it's oh, for real? I'm getting confused. I'll go for this one, right? Yeah, I think that's the cool one to choose. Yeah, it's right here at 37, but then let's take it down a little bit. Alright, the saturation, let's take it down. Yeah, okay. And then how are we gonna achieve that purple thing to be deeper? We come over here to the mask, right? And then we draw it just around the picture. But then I need to take this thing up. It needs to be bigger. Like that? I think so. I believe so. Okay. And then take down the exposure. Alright. Yeah, I like it. Honestly. Contrast. I'm not loving it. Okay. Shadows. Yeah, I kinda like that, but not too much of it. Okay, let's try to control that exposure thing. Yeah. Leave it right here. And then we can head for the shadows again. Right? Nice. Nicely done. So our models, you can see them a little bit clearly. Okay, then I think I'm satisfied with that one, but let's see if you can see this part right here is kind of different from this one, but then we want to make it darker too. So come over here to brush and then scroll down to increase the size right here so we cover more space quickly. Alright. So we're done with that mask, and then we can deselect it. Click right there to deselect it, and then I think we go right. But then let's come over here, exposure. Yeah, take it up, just adjust it a little bit. Yeah, and then come to the blue, but I need that purple color of the clouds to be, you know, a little bit richer than it looks now. Okay, increase the saturation, I think. Yeah, like that. I don't know if you see the difference, but yeah, that's how we do it. Yeah, I hope that was helpful for you guys, and I hope that it was easy for you guys to follow. And if not, please leave the question in the comments down below so we sort it out. Alright? Yeah. And if you found this video interesting, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.